Okay, everybody. It is officially the month of the leprechauns. We've been, alright, check this out. A poll from 2024 says 68% of Americans reheat their leftover fish in the microwave. Like what? I mean, how the hell you have leftover fish anyway? Doesn't even make any sense. You're not gonna have leftover fish, guys. Leftover fish in the microwave. Ha! 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 Leftover